Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Duet Dryer Control Board. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new control board. The control board is what actually controls the dryer. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if the dryer isn't functioning properly. In order to get to the part, we have to take off the top of the machine. It's held in on the back with 3/4 inch screws, which we can take out to get the top off. Once you have the screws out, you can pull back a little bit on the top and lift it off the machine. Now that we have the top off, we can remove these 3 screws that hold in this panel to get access to the part. Now that we have the screws out, we can take this panel and rotate it upwards. In order to take the control panel out, we have to remove this 1/4 inch screw. Once we get that screw out, we can remove the plastic clips that hold it to the mounting plate. Now that we have everything off except for the wires, we can remove the ribbon cables. We're going to use a small screwdriver and press on the locking tabs. Once you have those out, we can pull the black and the red wire off. If you have to, grab a needle nose and grab them if they're tight. Remember where those 2 went, just in case. The red one was on the bottom, the black one was towards the center. Now that we have those disconnected, we can lift up the board and rotate it over so we can release these other 2. This one goes through the back side, so we have to press on this tab right here and then pull on the plug. And this one we have to lift up on this and pull it out. Now that we have it out, we can get ready and put the new one back in. Here's the old control board next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new board back in, we're going to put it back the same way we took the old one out. We're going to connect these 2 to the control board, making sure that this little lock goes all the way through the board and locks it into place. Then we can hook up the big plug down the other end. All it does is push in, make sure it locks into place. Now that we have those 2 in, we can snap it back into its mounting plate. Now we can remount the board with the 1/4 inch screw. All you have to do is put it through the board and screw it in to secure it in place. Alright, next we can reconnect these 2 wires to the relay. Remember the red one was on the bottom and the black one was up on top. Make sure you do yours the same way as yours originally came off. In case the wires are different colors for some reason, just don't mix them up. Then we can hook up the ribbon cables that go to the controls. There's 2 of them. The big one goes on top, has a little locking tab in the center. Make sure you get it down all the way and that it locks into place. Now that we have everything reconnected, we can rotate the mounting panel back over and put the 3 screws back in. Now we can put the top back on. When you put the top on, you want to make sure that these tabs go underneath this piece right here. You want to set the top down a little bit back from the console and then slide it forward so they lock. Now that we're done repairing the appliance, we can plug it back in and take it for a test spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.